What's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday so far. Today is November 3rd, US election day, so I think it should get pretty interesting as we see more results come in later on during the day. Now, on this post, we're going to be talking about Uniswap Token UNIUSD, if I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Now, if you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you updated on my latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. Please do also read my disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I cannot tell the future. If you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I'm not your guy. Purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. So you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. Also, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful signup and a qualifying deposit. And I will also receive bonus stocks upon your successful signup. So I truly appreciate that. If you guys have any comments or questions, please only leave them in the comment section below. I will not get to all the messages in my inbox. Let me know what you guys are trading down in the comment section below. I'll see if I can get an analysis and share my own opinion on the symbols when I get the chance. Now, let's begin and take a look at what exactly is going on in the market as a whole, because that does affect how I trade any specific altcoins. I would like to see what the market is doing. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin dominance, which is the first thing I would like to look at, is it has broken out of that resistance I was talking about yesterday, if you see my yesterday's post. And pretty much what I've been emphasizing is that Bitcoin dominance has been under the resistance of that monthly 21 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average. Okay, it has broke above that now. Now, we'll see if that trend continues. If that trend does continue and Bitcoin dominance continues going up, that should not be good for trading altcoins, because then the best case scenario would be big total altcoin moves, total altcoin market cap is going to be trailing the move of Bitcoin. Now, that is the best case scenario that is available if Bitcoin dominance continues going up. Now, if you guys don't know the formula for Bitcoin dominance, get to know it, get to know the relationship between Bitcoin and altcoins, and see what those scenarios are when either Bitcoin dominance is trending up or down. So that is very important in my opinion. You let me know what you think. Now let's take a look at Bitcoin itself, that price action. Now, according to what I said yesterday, I did expect Bitcoin to actually break that 14K level. We went down to as low as about 13.2K yesterday, but we have bounced back up, and now we're at about 13.7, and it really does look like we are going to try to break that 14K level. Now, if we actually do get a legit breakout out of that 14K level, I do expect Bitcoin to first get a stop at about 16K. Now, when that happens, I do expect most of the action to be in Bitcoin for the same reason I just said about Bitcoin dominance trending up. And since when Bitcoin is going up, that is pretty correlated with Bitcoin dominance trending up. Last thing I want to look at would be total altcoin market cap, which is total 2. So that is the other chart I will be keeping an eye out on, because when the price action of total altcoin market cap is still above that weekly 21 simple moving average, as I've been emphasizing, in my opinion, we are still in an uptrend, okay? We are currently at about $139 billion right now for total altcoin market cap. And the weekly 21 simple moving average is at about $130 billion. Okay, so we do have a little bit of gap between the price action now and the weekly 21 simple moving average on total altcoin market too. As long as we stay above that moving average, I think we are still in a uptrend. Now, if the price action on total altcoin market cap 2 does close below the weekly 21 simple moving average, I would be very cautious about altcoins in general. Now, with that said, let's take a look at the Uniswap token chart, UNIUSD. Now, what have we been doing for the past couple of days since I made my last post? Well, nothing much, except we are continuing down in the falling wedge pattern that I have also outlined in my previous posts. Now, since we have not broken out since I've talked about it, we are moving the measured target a little more down the pattern. Now, if we do break out in the next 2 or 3 days, in the next 2 or 3 candles on the 3-day chart, my measured target will be about 4 instead of the higher measured target before if I had estimated that we had broken out earlier. Okay, so now, since we are continuing down this falling wedge pattern, this falling wedge pattern is a bullish reversal pattern. 68% chance of breaking upwards. Okay, 68% chance. Now, there are obviously other factors that affect if this pattern breaks upwards or not. And I think one of those factors is going to be Bitcoin dominance. So I'll be keeping, I'll be keeping an eye out on that. But since we don't have any past trading history now for Uniswap UniUSD, as you can see here, we do not have past trading history here at all. The best estimate that I can actually get for the next possible bounce is by using a trend line and just continue extrapolating that trend line down until this price action does not continue in this estimated pattern anymore. Okay, so the next price action, the next point of bounce that we may actually get would be about 1.95, and then if we don't get a bounce there, we'll be looking at about a mid 1.8, and then just continuing down this trend line. Okay, you let me know your opinion on the trajectory of Uniswap, but I think in the short term we're still going to continue down this falling wedge pattern, and we are really at the mercy of Bitcoin dominance and the total market as a whole. Now, the other thing I would also like to do is, while we're continuing down this pattern, unfortunately, would be to just continuing pulling the Fibonacci retracement levels and updating it so I would know where I will get quite a bit of resistance going back up. Now, the 0.786 resistance Fibonacci retracement level is currently about 3.4, in the mid 3.4. So that would be the next resistance I'm seeing, the next major resistance I'm seeing if we were to reverse back up. Okay, so I will update my Fibonacci retracement levels as we continue down this falling wedge pattern until we don't. And this concludes my very short analysis of Uniswap. You guys let me know what you think. Please let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Do let me know your agreements, disagreements. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and see you guys next time.